Hey everybody, welcome back to Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. I'm Oz. Jack and Later's still at Lake Jackson, and I'm hiding that hole in the back there with my head. Welcome back. Now, it's Christmas week, and I'm trying to do festive stuff, but I saw this over on TikTok. This is Cook It Erica. If you follow her over there, she does amazing stuff. Check her out. She's really cool. Her father came and taught her this coleslaw recipe, and I wanted to get into it. It looked amazing. And everybody's like, well, it's Christmas week. I was like, this is Texas, dude. We do barbecue everywhere. Like, we will have a brisket at Christmas, so coleslaw fits. Do your thing. And it's got cranberries in it, so that's festive. That's what I said over there. So this is going to be great. Before we get into it, be sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the YouTube-y stuff, ring the little bell, get notifications. You know how that stuff works. Also, check the link down in the doobly-doo for our merch. We got oven mitts, fake hands, spatulas, flippers, the aprons, the whole thing. We're a small business. We very much appreciate it. And let's just get into this. This is going to be awesome. I got some barbecue that I got going. Sorry, that's it. All right, this is fairly simple, man, but this is going to be great. Anybody can put this together. It's going to be, you need 3 medium carrots. I had 1 big one and 2 small ones. Hopefully that balances out. You're going to want half a head of cabbage. You're going to need half a cup of dried cranberries. We're going to fix those, but we'll do with that. You're going to need a teaspoon of your creamy horseradish. That's the best I can find here. And some mayonnaise. You're only going to need a tablespoon of it, but all I had was light in the house. You're going to need some coleslaw dressing, half a bottle of it. This is not the stuff that he suggested, but it's what we got down here. And then salt and pepper for your own preference. First things first, we're not washing our stuff. We're going to reconfigure our half a cup of cranberries in a bit of water. Just set them to the side, let them juice themselves back up, rehydrate, and then go scrub your veg, man. First things first. So you're also going to need a big bowl to put this in and a cutting board. I can also get you a nice sharp knife. Again, shout out to Andy. Sorry it's smudged, but it got wet when I was cleaning it. So we're supposed to shred this. I've never shredded cabbage or lettuce before. So I'm just going to cut it in half because we only need half here. Monkey note well way through it. The video I saw over on TikTok, they were just shaving the inside of this. Well, look at that. Son of a bitch. It shreds by itself. You just cut it real thin. I don't know why I didn't know this. I'm learning something every day. This is nice. I don't do a lot of cabbage, so that's a thing. But that's neat. Like, look at this. It just puts in there and it comes apart. It's shredded. If I only knew. So I learned everything. So you're going to need to go ahead and shred that entire half a head. Don't do the whole thing or you're going to have way too much cabbage in your coleslaw, which I'm pretty sure that's a threat or a curse to overseas to have too much cabbage in your coleslaw. Carrots, cut off the top of the root where it goes to the greens. Now you can take one of these peelers and just shred this as well. You're going to get an arm workout. Now I'm not saying I didn't use this, but I'm saying I cheated and used my big cheese grater and grated it. So I don't know if I shredded it, but you need to shred those 3 carrots. That is a lot of carrot. I think my 1 big carrot and 2 small did not make up for the 3 medium-sized carrots. So I don't mind. It's extra carrots. So your cranberry's been sitting in the water for about 10 minutes now. Go ahead and pull them out. Full of time. Get your big knife. Be very careful. Watch your fingers. And cut these up. You don't want to just put the whole cranberry in there. The ones I got were already relatively smushed and pulled apart, but I didn't want them to do any big ones, so I just kind of ran them under a knife real quick to give them a nice thin chop, real easy. It just breaks it up, makes it where it's all over the place. But the color of this, it makes it amazing. So you get all those, you put them in your big thing. Now you're going to do half of your coleslaw dressing. He used, I believe, Marie's. Could not find that here, so I got our Kraft stuff because that's what we have in Texas. So I used roughly half of that. Then your mayonnaise. I'm not doing this flush, mostly just because I think I had too much cabbage in this. And do 1 tablespoon of your mayonnaise. Be sure to get it all out of your measuring cup, or whoever's measuring cup that is will probably yell at you. This is me, and I don't mind yelling at myself because I know I'm a jerk. And then your creamy horseradish, just go ahead and get you a teaspoon, put it in there. I never even thought of putting horseradish in this stuff, and it makes it great. Salt and pepper to your seasoning. I like a lot of pepper and a little bit of salt, but I kind of spill a little extra there. Now give it a nice toss. You can also say you can fold it on itself, and you just stir the damn thing. Make sure everything gets a nice coat. Be careful because if you're using a rubber spatula, it's going to spit carrot and cabbage all over your stove. And next time you cook, it's going to smell like burnt cabbage and carrot underneath the burner if you're not careful. A year ago, hell, 10 years ago, if you'd told me I would be making coleslaw, let alone dealing with cabbage in my house, I would have laughed at you and probably thrown something at you. But this is really good. This is great. And for her pops do this. Like I said, he got a terminal result, so he's putting his recipes out there. This is absolutely amazing. Thank you, sir, for sharing this with us. I think everybody should do that. You should really get out and share your recipes, man. My mom's taking hers to the grave. I'll have to get a Ouija board to get those from her. But yeah, this is great. Try this. I put this next to a pulled pork sandwich on a buttered croissant because I'm a fancy Texan. But this was amazing. I'm very much enjoyed it. It's amazing coleslaw. I'm not one of those people that puts it on my barbecue because that just feels weird to me. But this coleslaw is amazing. Like, I think I'm going to take this to the rest of this stuff to my holiday gathering this week because I think my brother-in-law is making brisket. This is great. If you do it differently, want to see us do it differently, let us know. But this is absolutely amazing. Looks great. Tastes better. I think the horseradish and just a little bit of pepper that I put in it just paid this off. This is great. Again, this is Texas. I should have put some jalapeno in it or something, but this is great. Try it. And there you have it, folks. Quick and easy coleslaw that'll fit next to anything. It's, like I said, it's not what we have down here. You put cranberry stuff around here, you try to get run out of town. But it's holiday, and it's really nice. This is exceptionally good. You need to try it. Also, like I said, go check out Cook It Erica over on TikTok. She's amazing, does amazing stuff. And to her pops, that this is his recipe. Thank you for putting this out here. This is amazing. I really enjoyed it. I'll see everybody next time, but if you want to tell us how to do this or how you do it, or you want us to revisit this, whatever, let us know on social media. We're on Facebook, Pinterest, Patreon. You can find us all of those at Live Between Paychecks Kitchen. You can also find us on Instagram at Live Between, it's shortened down over there. You can also find me on TikTok under my own name. I've been doing a little bit of stuff here and there, where I've been finding some recipes, putting some recipes, some small videos and stuff out over there under my name. It's Osway Nerdy. It's spelled weird. I'll put it somewhere. It should be down the link. And I'll see you guys next time. If I don't see you then, have a happy holiday, Christmas, whatever you're doing, and I'll see you next time. Please be safe.